Hey everyone, Nicole Shevokas here, Scentsy Independent Consultant, and I just spilled wax on my carpet. So I was cleaning it up and I thought, maybe I should share with you how I'm doing this. So if you ever have your own waxident on the carpet, you can do this. So here it is, this red wax. I just took a knife and scraped up like the excess wax that was on the top. And then I have my trusty blow dryer. So I'm just gonna put it on high heat and melt it. This may be a little difficult one-handed to show you guys. Just gonna melt it and then dab. And see it just, you soak up the wax into your paper towel. And repeat. And you can heat while you're dabbing if you have two hands and you're not doing a video. But as you can see, comes right up when this paper towel is saturated. Grab another one and you can see that area is looking much better. I already did this area over here and it's cleaning up nicely, including all of the color. So you can also use an iron and paper towels and iron over the stack of paper towels or newspaper or some sort of absorbent paper. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and this works for getting wax out of most surfaces that are fabric or carpet. So anyway, hope that helps. Have a great day, guys. Bye.